Releasing stress. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a slow exhale. Feel tension leaving your body with each exhale. Imagine yourself sitting by the edge of a lake. The water is calm, smooth like a mirror. You hear birds singing, leaves rustling, and feel a gentle breeze on your face. Now see how every stress, every tense thought, every burden you carry today turns into small stones in your hands. You see the stones. You feel their weight. Now throw them into the lake. Watch as they sink to the bottom and the surface of the water becomes calm and clear again. Repeat after me silently or in a whisper. I release stress and tension from my body and mind. My breath brings me peace and soothing. I am safe here and now. My mind is calm, my heart is calm. I deserve rest and harmony. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body becoming light and free of burdens. Gently move your fingers and toes. Open your eyes with a sense of peace and inner quiet.